everyone, I'm Kristen and welcome to Keto in the Country. This is your channel for smart, healthy, whole food recipes that will help to keep this keto lifestyle sustainable. If you are new to our channel, welcome, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for joining us. We love having you, and you will notice that somebody is missing today, and that is Christy. So, today I'm on my own, and we are going to be making a delicious caramelized onion dip that you are not going to want to miss. Okay, so one of the many things that I love about this dip is that no one is going to suspect that it's keto. So if you're serving it to your family and you have some non-keto family members, they won't have a clue, or if you're taking it to a dinner party, this is something that you can take with you and you can have and everybody else is going to enjoy as well. So let's get started on what goes into the mix, and then I'm going to show you how we caramelize the onions. Here we have about a half a cup of, you can either use a full-fat Greek yogurt or you can use some sour cream. But I like Greek yogurt, it's what we had in the refrigerator, so that's a half a cup of that. And now we also have a teaspoon of Worcestershire. You could also use balsamic, that would be awesome. I just am using Worcestershire because I want to today. And then we're gonna use a full tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So now I'm going to be adding 4 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, and I've already softened it. And I'm putting this already into the food processor just so I don't have to dirty up extra bowls. There's just no point. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You could use olive oil if you want. It's just to thin it out a little bit because this is such a thick, rich dip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up, and I will be back to show you how to do the onions, and then we're gonna add this to the mix, and you guys are gonna love this. Okay, so this is a side note for those of you who are wondering where the salt is, because we put salt on everything. I did all the seasoning in the onion caramelization process, so that's why you didn't see me add any salt. Trust me, there's plenty in the onions. So let's pop this off first. So it's super creamy. This time I did remember to soften the cream cheese. Sometimes when I don't, I run into issues. I see it start to get clumpy, and I'm like, this isn't the texture I wanted. So here are the beautiful caramelized onions. They are like so juicy. I don't know if that's the right word, but they are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add them in. And now I want them to keep a little bit of their size, and I want it to give it texture. So I'm just gonna be pulsing this. But yeah, so this is basically the final step. I can't tell you how easy this is and what a go-to recipe it is for us. Those are our crackers that are in the oven. These are my favorite crackers. We're going to have to do a video so that you guys can try these, because that's what I'm going to pair with this dip.